Hey, Father TJ here, St. Martha's. We got some non-coronavirus news. We are doing a little flood test on our doors. That FloodSafe's been working really hard to try to flood-proof our building, and so this is good news. This is pretty exciting stuff. These doors are pretty hard, challenging work to get to flood-proof because these are all hollow tubes here that had to be caulked with some serious stuff, and all of these seals around these doors. But we've had a great team from FloodSafe. And the hardware team from the parish here has done an excellent job of getting our building ready to go. Hey, everybody who's watching the video. But thank you for tuning in today. Non-coronavirus news. We got good news here. Water is not coming in the building. It kind of looks like an aquarium outside. It's not an aquarium. On May 7th and September 19th, the water was not this crystal clear when we had water coming in the building. We had about 4 inches of water in May. We had about 6 inches of water in September. And here, oh yeah, here's the water line. You see, it's beautiful. No water's coming underneath the doors. But FloodSafe's done an incredible job. They've sealed all of our windows around the offices. So this is pretty good news. Good stuff.